morning, everybody. My name is Robert Kabuye, Boston, USA. I would like to, it's not actually a question, it's a request. It goes to Honorable Prime Minister of our Uganda Kingdom. Since we have 15 tribes in Uganda, which made Uganda, I would like to ask the Honorable Prime Minister if he can reach out to the elders and cultural leaders for all those 15 tribes, so that next time, the next conference, they can send out all the invitation to those elders and cultural leaders, invitation to join the conference like this. The reason why I'm saying this, we are dealing with a dictator who is a military, who is a rebel, who doesn't follow rule of law, and who is good at the game he's doing. He's very scared of unity. He's very scared of educating people that we are all one. So he's good at propaganda. Now he's gonna say, you see, that conference is for only Baganda. You see, that is gonna create genocide in the minds. Somebody hating you because you are not from his tribe, but you are all Ugandans. This is happening. This is happening to us in our political party. At first they say, you see, no political party is for only